Hello. I was your for me, Mamma, in our quabba. Let me show set or join in. And this so a fear that you coupon they are doing what is head and you be. And then I just wanted quiet. And I said, it's me, I call Unyanko Ponsim come up. That's why I won't say you be a yes. So then know her. You will be sure Unyanko Ponsim. And you bring me away. You be a dear dancer. Say a real brim and I know your way. Enti me wa hanma me no eba bisua onyankopon asem na ya let na ya hu bebi a ya dru sese na Yesu Kristo pi na nimu nyam a me nu mienu ya anya yiraba ye be hwa em se niam ekoso wo nchen no ebo a distractie nti ebo a refer to binum so but I was say sabre mum e ya hu boabo abre I was say Kenya every day. Ni ti asem no ne ya alert. Ne hu say you ready Yesu Kristo obebiem. We don't have much time. And inti no say ye di agora. Enema ekoso no ebema ye refi. Ye ni beba ye ho so no na afei de ebesi esi. But ye mpese ye beda like 10 bridesmaids. Right now, a lot of people are sleeping. Inipani be edda. And yes, at a trobento no sound, they won't be able to hear or monte. And then see ye koso na the ekoso ye hunina and the ekoso any the enkofo yinina. We have to be focused and be alert. And no de ro and a dibia me sorry na me bo and say any jena ye too much intino. Nipa nya refrain say bibi ba. So what I say, we have to be very careful. Nti I'm here to remind you say oswa hini na ben enunti e wo say ye careful. Eniti fo be dwane yin dwane to Jesus Christ no oswa hini na ben. Me no kan bibi wo 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 1 going. It tells them no be ready for the day of the Lord. Brothers and sisters, you don't need anyone to write to you about times and dates. You know very well that the day of the Lord will come like a thief in the night. When people say everything is safe and sound, destruction will suddenly strike them. It will be as sudden as a labor pain comes to a pregnant woman. They won't be able to escape. Was say eradid eni kwase trobreye eradidano. Na ebeba te so wifo anajo. Yesu Kristo baya oba no. Obeba te so wifo. Abra ebeka se ye ho atoye bibie koyie no. Mpofrimu ena oseye ebeba nipa so. And until we have to be careful. We would think to say, oh, everything is fine now. Bibia de dana kwemu now. Et said the Sodom and Gomorrah no one none ye no. So what I say, Sana Yesu my and beye. Only probably fee send the one tunnel, and ye may ko ye, Bibia ye kama, ye be cosroma warrior, a binum beju money parties in Nima, and Nima be cost so fine, and Nijia dear be costo. Oh, yeah, Juma, Nima be cost ye. I feel nipa beka say oh se di e ho atoye oh se di any problem se di ho to aba o simple free mu ena e de sen ya oni niamadie e be koso mpo free mu ena Yesu Kristo e be pie na nimu nyamu. So what I say abra yen kan bi nhemu mpo free mu se e be hwa ye weda na ye kama manfo oju o mani. People forget so one sorry Sunday they don't hear anything. So what I say, the yet to our bontin ye enema say enigidie enema ekoso se bibi si kakra bi na ye idi areho kakra na ya go back na ye gi ani na we forget se bibi ba o se bra be fi say ye ho atoye no suddenly and destruction will strike. Right now no Yesu Christo baby, we are living in the last days. Anything can happen from now on. Last week me buy na me can be about 666. 666 is here already, but we don't see it. 666 is here already, but we don't see it. Ye bra ye be fi se bibia ye kama no. All these things will start working. Until ye fi sabre we na ye mboaboa ye ho na ye nko hia ya genkwa Yesu Kristo. Me kan so say omo betumi agina eye omo free wiase asehye ame atro wondi won kwan manum e wo say u crucify flesh no anya sa enya de a u betumi agina eno nti mesre say minuanom adofo me wo high body wuru nsem bi say nya babia na otem they won't tell you yen kan chiro until we have to be vigilant. We have to be careful. We have to know the time and the hour. If we call ourselves Christians, I will see a alert, na ye vigilant, na ye should ye eba besino, and yes, sir, in pofrimu, a better ye saying you know. Or see a beba to say, I will call ya to say your bar, a qua wasso, labor pin no, say the old tea yano, a yao yano, son a better ye. And until you're very careful. Yentu tu ya namon sisi ye. Yentu tu ya namon sisi Kristo diemu. Anje sa opien animu nyamo yentumi nkobi. Na se yentumi ankobi so a ebe ya rehosem. Na ebe ya yaudie ama nipa ne bebre. Ebre we ye nada abre. Nada adoso ye dada nipa. Ankofo ye niama ensem fata enada ayi bebre sabre ye dada obi sabre ye bra obi kodi bone kwa na aka chen o ne se nye hwe o ne se we de nya wonko an waye we de nya hwe mema ne haw we de kokopem sambinum ne da we de mema ne menwore ebre we ye bra obi kokwakoju obi kunu no obi atranche aka se o ade wonko an wakọ asori a oju obi kunu o jai ne gina wo ho mema we ntete o so what ya say ebre we ye bra obi kokobokro no be ka se o na ade wonko an obokro no Ananias ne Safiria ko omubokro no omutwa ntro mema ne haw bakahu se Ananias ne Safiria omuyesa no Onyankopon kum omu asumbo ba kope no wa fall down on so bim so what I say because Onyankopon wo justice honkonkron ne wonama oti true say ubeye bibia na kwamu so what I say ntisi yekoso ne de o ne se David kro boy dwaman ai David Crab boy Jamai okofa Uria owie cross ama ye kum Uria nso no nyame me ka kire say this time wo decide ni yi ho no wo be ka kire me ka me kire wo decide ni yi no wo se ono kra no Onyankopon fa ne ho anche no nso no so oda na koma so okay wan fa ne ho anche no okoni nkutu bi anim ko bom pai se rade enyi ho nkonkron free me so because wo hu se nyame nkonkron free me so obeye mo bo se obonefo no de ne begu atopre enu ti sabre ade aye hia kese wo yebrem ene se Onyankopon ho nkonkron ebeba yimu. That's what we need. Eniema ebebo aba no se yebetumi agina agese Onyankopon ho nkonkron ekan ye ho nyesa ye ntumi nyina. Me no ko Revelation you kwa disem bi Bible no kwa disem chapter 13. Let's go. Revelation chapter 13. Yanko bibi o hono. Yanko Revelation chapter 13. Me know best start from 15 hono. Or say the second beast was allowed to put breath into the statue of the first beast. Then the statue of the first beast could talk and put to death whoever will not worship it. The second beast forced all people, important and unimportant people, rich and poor people, free people and slaves, to be branded on their right hand or on their foreheads. It does this so that no one may buy or sell unless he has the brand, which is the beast name, or the number of the number of its name. In this situation, wisdom is needed. Let the person who has insight figure out the number of the beast, because it's a human number. The beast number is 666. Okay, or say a bedroom, it's our tamano or honini no yebema ne kwan ama or the jinaye, which is number no ebeba be mema nipa, rich or poor, and penini nkola adehye ene nkoa or the sanema we nyabeba be mema wo mo and nti sada ne dru ho no ma se unni saba ne bia, you cannot buy or sell untumi nto ana untumi nton e bedru satam bi kwa na wo ma. Okay, ebia na wo ma afi wadwuma mu kra wo kɔ no yesesa wanje chip na adwuma no kra yibeyi wadi yema wo ma ho biem. Satam we no ehia boaseto. So what you say? Ehia say gidifo etumi gina. Satam we so obetumi agina agese ho konkron kan ho. So nyame ho konkron kan ho a untumi ngina de ama ye kasa do so nyina no enu no. Say ye kwa sorry a yen kan kire ye de bema yetumi agina. Tama 666 bar ye betumi agina. They don't tell us. De betumi ama ye gina ne say ye bebo tene ne bra. Tene ne bra na ye bo a onyame nkonkon betumi abetena ye mu. Wono na wode ahoden bema yen. Any fearless heart I betumi di agina, even if we will go through death. Okay, and inti sabre we ni se ka se yim crucify flesh no yim free sabre we enkum yakwa ye nipadua no na yetumi agina ene se ye crucify flesh no. So who crucify flesh na we fra wani afri wiase. You don't see anything in this world. Wiase niema enya ofabiem, wiase ade enya odabiem. Umpe wiase untena se ma wiase, but untena se ma Christ Jesus. And no satam no obi bibia enya oya. So what you say? Satam no na okọ adwuma ma ommokro no. Satam no na onkobo adwaman. Satam no na onko yinyinsa ntumu. Satam no na onko di atro. Satam no na okuta beya obeto atwene. So what you say? Because obi a opese onyame nkonkron beka ne ho bia no, oyiyi ni mafunu bi afiri ni mu. So what you say? Nti se ye free sas bre we ya sade na eno na ebe boa ya am ya tro yidi won kwanwoma nim. Nti se nya tro wudi won kwanwoma nim a, no matter what the we ase be ye bia no, you will still stand firm. No what declare Jesus din be bia obegina bia, because ye betu yesusa wo se wo be ma ne kwan am ye tu ahotefo susa. So what you say? Nti ye de ba be fa jama pie. Ni who say yes, we are Christians. And in Christianity, they say, ye be an ye no, ye are Christopher, ye are Christopher. Or be my queen, I'm ye the for gem. And tis will be catcher say, Ratchet by Fawako, and Sana says number, may catcher say, or deceive you. And yes, I net say, or so obey man a queen, I'm an be too a motive for Susa. Didn't you obey man a queen say, I was so who ye do for gem. Ni hu nipa oye nti sabre we ya catch us we ge good trisu na nye usu ntumi nyai. Okay, yes makeup na oye na nye usu ntumi nyai. Yes trials na wo hye na wo sore na wo de nam na wo de kwa sore na enye usu ntumi nyai. Na mebusa se satam ne so se bre no so a no ye chisika wo so se di na Jesus Christ eno betumi gina. Because when you market and get your home, no crowd soon to mean die you so. Nesse Sabrina drew near the second beginner when him was said Danny drew a man come war or moon and a ma or mamma and menu for moon. Yet the second beginner also. Yes, so I near your shumo bathroom, some yet not put dear mamma na pecha. Can you stand? As some na had a woe. I was see she bibi Ya suffer for no, they don't teach all these things. This time your preparation time. I was here prepare GD for. Satam we preparation I was here prepare Christo for. Because we are about to face worse and yansam ketwa. And in today that say we have to be alert and be prepared. So time we and what you must say I wouldn't say good tia usu or na di for true for so. What to mean, you know? So what I say, usura you can't stand. Necessatam na ebeban edru. Ni say without say no want to me kran kotobi ani ma woman nia. Without Holy Spirit, sister, you cannot stand. And into me slow. Was say, woman ya true mudi won kwa woman ne betumi gina satam no. Si entru wudi won kwa woman ma untumi nyina wo. E na untumi so ntena boni mu em ye ntru wudi won kwa woman. That's not gonna work. I was so Johnny free we say. Now to who no creative. Now didn't creme rade. Now ye the sefata kukwom any penny so nina uye ye. Last me kodida me koto me koye shopping ma me ba. Me koye na me mane esusu pants. Oye na me man de belt e bosso. Nti se me wie ye no me man akola de belt boy na me check it out no. Lady na hu no ofi say it comes with it. And inti me drew fie no. Me share receipt na just one charge me belt no. Ti one charge me belt na me say I was saying card na boy say because belt na na just lady na charge belt no. Ti one me catch me man say ya charge belt no. Nti I have to go back and give them their money. And I me banish me no say really ma'am na say yeah because lady ni him say atade na come with the belt. That's why she didn't charge me. Until I have to go back. O man hu me chiro se nyame honhom kan ho a so se boni ba so hu ne ntem. Enti I was say me go back. Na me man they were surprised. Ah ma'am, why? If they don't see it, na say no. Say o man hu na me hu say o man hu e yade wo so mo charge me. Na me de tena fie ha no mama bokro no. Even though they didn't see it. Onyame wo hu me, obejeje me. Ti me ye no mo busa me mam when are you going? Am say o me be ko ho me kodi dwa wo hu bi ma me ko. Nti en no me ko to ade na me say no, I have to go and give them their money. Me wura store ho no na me ko yi belt no because na me we fi mam fa receipt na nka me ho. Na me ko yi belt no, ne bo no the same belt. Na me the man na me say last me buy be to ade. Me ko no na me check it out no. Na belt ne she atade no mu abra me ba na susu. And until lady me nan charge me, until I'm here to pay for it. Until we are exact same. And I'm here until me didn't see Kebren. I feel what she say. Wow. You were so honest. You know what? Because you did this, I will give you discount. And I'm say thank you. No, mommy discount. Sister, mommy no one who. A woman for woman who come rabian me. Okay? Come rabian who me say. Me the bet no ma me ba ne boy and me di pie ye wo ne ya chensi me aba beji sika wo come rebi anche me because me buy 4 days later instead of me go back to pay them come rebi anhu me we na kire say onyankopon hunhum ti mu a wo kire the right things to do ade bi ho no ma wo ya o feel comfortable and come to make keep ade no because o ma hunhum me ade ti na me kutua ho ka. But I didn't do it. I went back to give them their money. And you woman whom you, a young woman, a shaman. Christo no Timmy Muno Shemi say, Minko to give them their money back. Say, ne Christo Shemia, Nkawe easy, because a young chemi, Nkamafa. So what I say? Ntisani man kitting get away, we are. If you are quite jumum, I did be the honum, Utumus of fire show. Nti o so fa camera kra hu no wafa na odi kofi na utimi relax etimi tena wa na kire sister nyame hu enka ho. So what I say because I was say nyame hu nkonkron e check you e ma hu say no ade we ni kwansa me ye dey me ye but me yimu bebre e bokro no yimu bebre e ye niam because people didn't see them. doing it. But me catch you say no one Nyankopon be ha be bu nipa ten yo. Be anima wo ye na yan hu no. And no one nyame be hwe wa bu ho aten. Sister na wo de aduru kugu na di anim se wonni mu no. A obi enhu no. And no one ye be hwe bu ho aten yo. Sister na wo kan che se yin na di wo di ne ho konkonsa wa adwumam wo che ne ho na wa fa ha na akodi konkonsa na mo sister mu nyi no what is it to say na wo kan ho asem consistent si e be yin na di no a wo feel any at the same humobro bi eni mu ne kire se Nyankopon hum ni mu enkan ho nti we kire se so worst times ne ba sister you will deny Christ, you be deny Jesus. Enti bre we ya ho boaboa bre wo say gidifo ye boa ye ho e twen de e ba be ba no, but no one tells us yen ka kire ye what ya so dem no wo twempena and there will be last na me bi kasa wo say sister enema e koso sese wo asafo mu no ho me dwene ho amente ase oba wo di asori anim woni me kunu e twempena text message o send ma me kunu no enya agro. But abontino you see say omunyina akwa asori ntino they go to church. Wo friend no can you come and pick me and take me this place? Oba besi u di asafo anim. Obi kunu nti ama papa no ye ya no wo fa lady ne phone wo de lock kwato so ne yiri kwantumi ntache. Sister ne si ma me nya dey. Me si Kristo nti ye mompai. Wo se kan me kan na nka sister we nka adia me de be ye no no kanya sam ketwa na se ne nya wo ne wo kan no. Wo ti asafo mu bo Yesu di o. Komini oba wo jibi di o. Look at what she's doing. Wasi munti ye say radidin yenti ye say radidin wa manamem adena yenti yen kanfo radidin wa manamem na yenti ye say radidin e wa manamem because of our behavior ye niam bia ye yenti ye say nkofo din because nipa ni won sinti musi we ye Kristo ni enti musi bre ya wo we ye Kristo ni pa mo hu di oye ya na nti munti ye say radidin e wa manamem yenti ye say radidin e wa mamem eti braso say yenti ye kamfo radidin e wa manamem e wo see tumi ye bibi na ni bewiase wo say ni pasmes no bi bu say ada wo ye Kristo ni ana because ni papa pasa and no bi fo bi grand na koka no ho na dwuma ma no osuro onim say obeka kokeka no ho nsama me ye yinadi. And no be the Japanese show being sa no suro because no crassa intimi ni no kre and no wafre wunia sister kwa me bo me ba fa wo was oh my ready nso kra no nware ntron ketinketi we nyina ni ye twa ye fi se bibia ye kama se ye pese nyame honhom betena ye mu a we have to crucify the flesh. Ni yeti ye hu no kretim nso wakoto so ugina ayi kuta microphone ehwehwe ni mu mpaibo la baba obeye hwehwe ni mu mpaibo waye fasting kwa no betan o ene de maye fasting ene de jai ene de wa wo pem mpaibo freme ene de fasting bi amaye ene ja ne dere nso no nka no kre wo ye true for first class so what you say nti si ye betumi agina enema eba beba ye so no a ade se yeti ye hu no kretim na onyankopon hu nkonkon ebe kan ye hu na wotumi de yabo awuram and yes we can do it and yes there is no way yentumi nyina ye ba be face challenges very soon ye be face challenges and nti yensusu ma wiase nya ye de ni yentina sinni no kre ni yemfa ye hu ma ye ready Yesu Kristo hu mu ni no kre mu yensom as Christians na yema Yesu so ma wiase enye ye de anye sa yentumi nyina de eba be si no afeni ya bregu kwa meka sei wato samenta me esi asori dan meka sei wato nkonya egu asori dem meka sei asori ko crusade wo tue sika ye bibi wa asori a wo tue sika ye bo afodi a wo tue sika but entra wo ntumi nyanti Yesu beba no oja wo entra wo ntumi nyanti yentumi ntra wo di won kwan manim ahwo ya wo ntumi nyanti yentumi ntra wo di won kwan manim Pesami kuminya be ye kakra wo munti yentimi nkyerɛ wo din wɔ nkwanoma nim ɛno nti mesrɛ adɔfo ebra so sie ye ahoboaboa. Jesus is coming back very soon, sooner than you think. Wase brendra wo mo betumi agina ye wo mo firi wiase asehye am ya kyerɛ wo din wɔ nkwanoma nim wo mo ne betumi agina ɛne mebusa wo sɛ ya kyerɛ wo din anka be hu wo da ye sum. Everything that you do ebe kyerɛ wo sɛ wo ye Kristo dia me come kyerɛ wo ya kyerɛ wo din. What are you doing? Abrabo be na wo bɔ say na tie brother. Why did na wo kwa sorry na so fa wo yire chikobo adwaman? Why are you doing that? Ade na wo fa wo yire chikobo nwaman. Wa bra Bible say okunu menwa wa yempa ho fi. Empa na ne wo. Efi ukom ekosi edesen wa nentu eya wo yire dia. Enentu ukoyi ho adagama wo ba bia hu a wogu wa yempa ho fi. The same as wo ba ade na wo kunu na wo twempena. Bible so oba enwo aware mpa ho fi aware mpa na ne sai efi ukom kosi ukonentu eye ukunu aware mpa na eno no ntime nwo ho fi. But then look at what we are doing. Yenta de shim kura kire say we are not Christians. Bible so aka osisi ntibia to nti wiase nwie hwese de yesi ye ho hwe brabo ayetim ene ye promote adwamamo. Wase brene be kwa ye nipa be ya ahopefo ene hwe what we are doing. Ye tete asori dem kura na ye twa video ye selfie ye we ni ye kansem hwe se di nipa ye ahopefo obitumi so ade ne si ne so onkasa o esi ne so saa na odane dan ho na o kyerɛkyerɛ no ho si nipa be ya ahopefo na no wo so odane onkasa o odane dan ho saa o kyerɛ who she is o kyerɛ no ho ene saa na nipa ye. That's what people are doing. Nipa ya hopeful. We love ourselves. You do yourself. We love the flesh. And intimate your home on great team. And into the biani no problems. So what you say? And until we have to be careful. And now sorry, now I just get to cranis you not see. Yes, who you call uncle home. But see ye be sure ni hu ebra eba no ni dwane afiri wiase ni aboaboa ye ho achen Christ a nke beboa ye pa nke be ye pa wa pa bruchire adwuma no wanya bi efie no wasi bi ebi kura wonsi fie ni nyina ye gya ne ho ade na won fa wo life aka no won fa ma Jesus. Now more brabotene mo pie na ni mo nyam sister watumi akobi ebre na wiedru nti yema ye ni na ho ni nwane nto Jesus ebre na wiedru enne oba besie to no obo adwaman ya say ye normal ye say ye normal at the age of 18 19 20 mama fi say ne ba have lances. So be chempena, but it's wrong. O si pra no be pra die nyina sintidu atofo adwamamofo. It's wrong. Na mi busasa babawa. Ade na wodi brother na chi akone dem. Na bob kura boho otue sika no otoye. Bibia ukoto wo brother na dem otua yo. Onko an wafa o cheap, unsa wo cheap. Very cheap. Ade bia ukoto brother na dem ho no. Wanko wie o otoy otuaka unkwa ukosha ne dem ho no chese wan ma wa wofo ametua otisa chese wo wa fa cheap nti wo de wo ye useless kura ye fa onye hwe wo ye busumina so ade because sumina so ade ne fa ne free ade ya abandoned ade obi amfa nye hwe eno na wo kwa eda fam no watam na ade ko untuaka obi anso musase betua enti so utumi wura brother ne dem na utumi fa wa bra cap kura ye de no nsuo won dem utie sika no utua na you are the cheapest thing in the world me hu bi da very cheap nti na me no kasai e bia wo da brother ne dem me pese wo do wani fa ne dem na wo hwe ne me wo ho busa no di onya ne free e dan na wo de ko wura mu no utua ka bosome nso nko nso afa cheap Edwamamunti wonso wafa cheap. Enti se Nyankopon pata na se ne da na wodam ho no anadwo wo ne na da na de be che na obebo no brakosi ade ache me ko mi se wo bedam ye be kasa wo na akum no ebi kwanso na nya wo ye be investigation be wie na no wadam me come chiro. This is the time where we have to be careful. We have to be vigilant. And ye dia wo di brother na chi no wo no dan na kire so wo do. And this sanet ye. Uko store, ade a ye dia shop box mu no, ye wo display wo ho. Ye go abonte ye display. And no uko anu wo hu, we have the same thing. Dia uko to no dia shop box mu. Ye wo display wo ho no ye dia si wa kire o sta ade no, say net ye. But the shop box mu no, say when you ready say wo pa, you won't get the display. Uto the shop box mu na dia kofi. That's what you do. But ade and as I said, your man kofubi, ye do mope. And no be na no say my cheap. And my cheap. The way you want Facebook crash so you cheap. A man for a found in your bini. Last me Tiana me share Facebook. Lady B, she's almost naked. Like she's naked already. Were you naked? And you people, hypocrites. Nyamisro ni mumu. So if we are so shabon in Samudia, until this time on me will pictures and me commenting, any the main commenting. So me show lifestyle no any will dressing. Say enya, no matter how much I love you, me do one kasa like a person, me pewasem pa. But the way you hono, so me commentia, a chese me shabon in Samudin, until I won't do it. But se me who's at the corner a appropriate, I will comment. Say enya appropriate, I won't do it. Because me yes sir, me chira said the oye na eye until continue to do it until me baba me hoso no why am na broso enye se me mpewasem. I love you. Mo me Facebook. I love you people and I pray so Onyankopon enhu obi biara mobo na umbi obi ani se de wa Jimmy na nka ye nyina ye meye baako na totrobentu ne sano na ye nyina ye tumi akobi. That's my prayers. But se me hu bibi na manka ho asema sa de krono eni nyame asem nkwa me sheboni nsem den eno nkyerese sister kua metawo da bi mentawo bakokra. So what you say? But lady, she's sitting there, she's almost naked. Oh, Adia Shani be everything, and guess what they were revealing? Oh, you're so cute, beautiful, gorgeous. They were writing all these things. Lady Tia Kakaka. Until she thinks whatever she's doing you're right. But can we say what could church and the you're right, you know? Also so Unyamino will become. Unyamino will become. Why? Because who shep on in something. Ebia which say no. I tell you where show with you, my dear. I love you so much, but this is not right. And on the bufu wa Kaubinya reward were radianim. What the washano? Utumu say nye. But the name so person powasem. No case sister kuya the opemasem tino. You have to write something. And yes, I let you. So what should I want to mean kasa? Then don't leave anything there. Don't say anything. And not just a utano. Yes, shabonin somebody. Emu mema. You look so cute. You look this. Nti brother, me busa say you unya ba. And we you know sa. Nti ka ubema ne de pie frifie. Ka ubema ne de sa dress no e pie frifie. And all these people, it do Sunday, the same people are going to church. And koyo Facebook we abano. Obone for the basu be wi anyamema. Ne se Nyankopon maso be ye nitifo a. We will use Facebook to glorify Onyankopon. What you say? You bet me use Facebook to glorify Onyankopon din. You bet me atena ho no ma ye niema bia ama nipa hweye asakra. And at the age of 40, 50, 60, what she said your sister na ye no ho ne atade e hye no a ni koto bi kura entra wo shaka wase wono no okunu. And then me catch them bama bia o yiri. So o yiri pia check her. So we hear to me the half naked babontia. Nature say womb. A chirasa won your head with you. Who you tail? I'm telling you. Because away your head, pa. I will for what you say. I will be more want to be a show to Mr. Bema Nebe. You will never let your wife go out half naked. Yes. And you have right. Because we no. Yes. Who right so catch and say queer. At the end show make first step abonting. And yet Sesano. Yes. Because what ton wawari empa ewa abonting. Or the chiche. And no more confusion empower you know. Because just your ordinary hono. And who be a co wara abonting. No one ukumuche manson. And it is a sea and tokwa pim. Sisi ana buga buga. Obi tumi ni kunu kuan wo mo sese dem ho ne manyina. Tane kon. And need to be vigilant. Ye careful. Sama yabe. Enya sem ketwa. Oba besia ne bedu 2025. Now shut ade hye no anka ne ba be hye satade no no de be pia bonten. Na waka chen se kwia jai satade ne hye no no na hye satade no na half naked. Sister, I don't know, half naked, I don't. Which is a woman who you don't respect your husband. Because you won't dress half naked and come outside. Now we also have a scene, I mean, so metra woman. Hey, when you go for your son, a taddy, a shannon, a more as a no one, I sorry for your mouth. A sick from say giant. Unyamina yapen in Chayacon, Natadi and you see a no one, I sorry for your ma. Okay? Until we have to be careful. Dress decent. Mentao. Me who picture na man comment ya mentao. Biana whatever I see no and ninya me asem ne mwabira. Nti se me be ya ma show obasa muden. And non chese metao. I love you. I wish so we all go to heaven together. I love you so much. Me mpesa wo kra beira. That's what I don't like. Because me kaboni nim na wo sakra. Na that you could do heaven wa. Ube born se mama me. Se me mama ho kwan. No nyame na me so kasa kire wo. Ba se me be shoboni nsamude. Na kire wo pia bonten. No wantumi me duru fie. Ana wo koda wo kete so. No wantumi ansori bi mu a. Na wo pia woni e ka kire wo se. Sinti bi anti wiase ni atade na hye wo na kua. Onyame se firi me so ko. Ah, wo be kasa se sister no to wa. O kasa kire me na mentie. Okay? Emre ni ho mani pada sani. Ye twam enche hwenipa wo ewu o chena sati de hunso wo kwa yie hwenipa wo ewu sister na wo no chen brother na wo no sika do so chen enso won so wo owo won fa panini akola ho nti wuti won ma bobra ni ye se de be ya ukudu ahema ananimu a onyankopon ka se firi mi so kominim wuti tala haban so this time. Ye be bresa ye japadie egu ho ye niema bebria mankofo na ye ntumi amfa ye brabo no ensi wo te sa for ye triase ansum ye ready Yesu Kristo a ye be kwa so ye kutua offering tight ye de mama sofu bi obedi ne fo ye donchon oboni minimum be kasa poncheni ro ukasa no ho say me hye nkoma na me preachi ewiase mu nsam nyino be ka bi a kyerɛw but repentance ontumi nka bi kyerɛw ne wono so na eku wo omo so na mo po masem. Those people na mo pe o masem. Obi timi koso fu hu die. O se sister me hu sa fi wo be yi pa. Sister ku ya ho ayefo. Ene de o nsa ha, o se nyame na aye. Nso wo hwa atade hye no enfata. Nso nam so obeji bibi kakra firi wo nsam nti no. Na o mo ye. Na so fo ma me di nchen ba bi. Ye hwe wa sister we di otua o. Na ye ma fans. But one kasa, wo tena ho no mo hweda ya wo so. Saka wo ye di onyame pa. Nka woda yesu nkura be kire wo se nyame kan ho hwe wo koda da ya wo so unse problem empower so uni ahoto oto uni ahoto se brother won twitwa patashini bia wani nye se de yakra ntimi nsiri bi unse uni ahoto se ye betumi nya asomdua se ye benya peace e wo see obey Jesus obey. We are about to face challenges but se ye betumi agina I just see free we are sister emi yitire yidi won konman sister why you bobra ni bi when you sika osisi adan e de na aka o akaka krebi o akaka krebi na you ready Yesu Kristo aba akaka krebi na waka onse gubo na wansori biem ye beba be ye wayiye eyi na se die nwom beba bebo o beba be die sa nkofo be fa wo ho obi ne boyfriend be kokoda wayiye tam wo mo be bronsa se sram ebi be kokonyem wayiye da ada wofunu da oda na obi no obi be kokoda akoburu nwaman ada wofunu da ho o mbeba be gina ho trubutu ne o mbeka nsema kese de wo nye nyo mbeka ye be twero ba me ka twero se masofu me gina obebo de say mass about deliverance geography hwan ubeko jem yes so one more brabotin here obeba be gina ho no abo de wawuo no ye mompai ma de wawuo ne de ke mu ato ye nkanto no biem asa ye sili ni bibia no nti wo mbe gina no mo so mo koye fufuo so mo ko bompai ama hwan wawu so wo mpai bi bo wo a wo ti ase no bompai ma wo ho na wuwu a wonko jem wo a wo ti ase ye ne hu hia o ye se jata wawu kama wo ti ase ne ho mfa so wo chen jata wawu enu ti wo na wo ti ase ye wo kra nkwaje ho adwuma na Yesu Kristo ba biem wo so ma ye mfie duoso abro so kra ye bi woche hwetam ne kweko na nse wo so wo ya na tam ne twa no wo so wo ya na tam ne twa ho wo so wo ya na tam ne twa ho ena wo na ma obi twetwu atin ena wo nka bi hyem wo na ma obi twetwu odidi na wo me no tene kam wo lodu gans na wo twetwu pe no okum e bia wo pie no ntumi amafie ena arabufo no mo nam obi tumi de bombo hye no buyam no okum obi fatuo wo se mani nka pe no okum last beach ubu amam 40 beach ye huru na bana amam 40 beach no a obi so wa drive careless so se die o police di na chi no yi tu pe okum nti so wonam kwan no ho wanka bi anhyemo obi anim se sister ku e opie no ko pe no wan so bi ma e di asam na wokoka kire rede wo be person ko nyame ma kwan ne bra na me nkwase asem betie bi na fa bobra but now it's too late. Now it's too late. Me domo. Me do bia. Onyame se wan fro bi untumi ma nche. My prayers is erade hu mamobo. Ne phone saka obi biara. Wo fi mu a na hu sese uji ne kira na hu sese wiase na ayesumo. Ayesum enya wa I know. It's not you. You don't have the strength. I know. But sister, try to nine bako. No na maybe to be a kamwate. Ya na ya me ya. It's not you. And maybe a chum na me tisumu tisaw. And you me fiti ya na me ye say you. And be come be the bomb pie mammy. No na me den sakame. I know. And be a soft be happy sa was a galley. When you made to me the night man or bomb pie mammy. And I'm a tear. It's not you. I know that. But when I was here, kind of credit show. We have to tell you the truth. I was here, can't you know? When you want to be my back, if you more. Nasa, my prayers is ready. Me pipe when you say touch every obia come pray. Sakobe smurade. I command pray. Sankobe to me a year you nyame pe. But it's difficult for them. And Father, I pray that you touch all these people. They want to. Omo pe. Omo pepa. Se komo so be pa omo ho achi. Sister, I pray. Uko nkuto dwani makache onyame. Se rade. Fa me ka o mane ho. Why? Wasam say one through you to me mountain. A ready me srow. For me come money home. Na me to me mountain. Bosam pine. No, you may be whom mobile. You will be pretty, I saw them, but you near ready dear. And then I know. You will be pretty, I saw them. You chill in the tight, but you near ready dear. And then I know. But we don't know. And then I know. If you call sorry, and once you can't some repentance in Chirauda, I suffer for no more deceive more. That suru be bom no ho entokwa be koso wadifo atrofo ne wo masore mantem no enye easy ehona obo sese yesisiu they don't tell you omo deceive you say ye ka omo ye evil a men kasa ofia bayfo adifo na bote omo nase no omo nka ne kure no those are the evil ones opese uko say because we no already know what turn the krama bonsam into also opese so na manifrem na wu na say kwa na uko jem. That's why they don't tell you guys the truth. Yet to woman I say she ya we ye she sika uchia ma omo what is the bibia to so for her own poepo uko chie sika but wo ba no wa ba wi sankwase asem no odi egu wo no ko wono no se wono no ye sofo obejira onu ma no wo introduce wi asem niema na de ma nkoje nsem wo so won ka bi nchira wo. That's what they do. Oba sister obedi ye sister me hu so obusuafo bekum wasifie me hu so obi edi wo kunachi why you say all these things ni ye ja ho omo meka dwen sakra nsem chiro na wo wakomo mu tisa pia ne sakra wagene. That's what you need. And yes ada wo be wo no sika wo peni nyina no wo be ja ho ebi kwani am fan ho ma ebi kura na obusua peni ni timu dendenden wo sister bia wo ja ni timu den ebi kwa no am fisika na ho ba no awu brepe no na wasa akogem yet ya sofofo na say they don't tell us the truth. Any you didn't trust her. Omudi ye kogem asori bi ho ma tum so munyina yet ya se wo omunyina yet ya se wo from omo sofo na wudi hu baby omo ko ade utena bochire be hwe awo chenchire nchei unamu na okwadwuma uwi a wakotwie sika yesi ye bo afode utwie sika kese but sister wo utimi hu say Yesu pie na unkobi within you utimi hu say Yesu pie na mami anotwa mi nkobi. Tell me sisi ame no tiwe say wosoro bom na sase jeswa ubekobi ana utimi o show ni padiema your heart is telling you so utimi nkobi enti be sro yesi me battery na wu me pa cho me do nya me din sro I love you me do mo nyina me ntaw bia wo me ntaw I pray so nya me didn't sabe come. Okay, it's not your fault. Ya mo aduane papa na ni aduane esa honhom na yade no yesi me ma aduane mpa onyankopon fie enye bode ne banche o eye nyame asem but na wo be ko ne asesa bode ne banche kokko bayire ne gusofo fie yesi ma aduane mpa onyankopon fie onyankopon ni fie na ne wo nipadua no asem na eba no eno ne aduane no yesi me ma asem ne mpa fie ho but won so ma convince so ye mi asem ne mu nchiro nti won te ase eno mu ji sikadi no mu ka repentance enchire no mu de nkom hye bu ye kon ena ye chi wi ase niema ne ye wu akogem. Sister sisa unyame bebo ko nkoto de nka ches unyame se ohun mobo no ma kwan ne bra ne nchen wate anyesa wo be wu ase unyame hyew erade me mpai bo ene dey se me de me ho si ho no mo te sa afode ete ase boa wo mei na nya me fiti ya na me betena ha eye won sa na wo de kan me fa won sa kan wo mo nsoso no mo ntumi nya da nkwa na o ma nwu anko seyim mpai bo do no sabre we na wo sa sofofo pleadi for our church members na usika na oje no o ma ho ba mfaso ma o kan kwaje nsam kire wo so what boni ma o ka boni anim na wo te sapia na wo jai na onyankopon jo na onkonkon betena wo mu nti sesesese ne ba nkramofo no twe wo mo sekan a osiminie wo be mbe ede na odi be nipadua no na nipadua no sofa asuafo no obi bie ne ho fa ne free o ye kunkum bi ye twitwa biti obi bie ne ho fa ne free but wo nyina na onkonkon ka wo ho enti se onkonkon beba be kan ho a e wo si jai bone ye wo betumi so jai bone ya age se wo sofo o preaching nkwaje nsam kyerew truth nothing but the truth se be kunkro be kan no wotumi asakra anya sa you cannot and enye wa ebi kra ye wo to abosomsom fofie honhom e wo ho ne be fa wadamfo eni ti sa honhom no na ni wudi esi nka wo pese ka wo be sesa ba sa honhom no hyew but wo see deliver ni e kan Yankopɔn kwaje nsam kyerɛ na watumi asesa but ye hu won akoma ekuta wo butumi fusa na wo ne obi kra obi kuno enya wo honhom na afa wadamfo na control nti gisi ye deliver ni ye hyase de wo fa Onyankopɔn asɛm kron ni ye kaboni anim kyerɛ wo na watumi agina na yiyi wo mu niema ne nyina pie na watumi agina na hon konkron atuma betena wo mu sa na tie obu ho ya ho na nto Kristo mu nti honhom fa wadamfo no agese nyame hu mmɔbɔ nti ne mesrɛ wo nyame sɛ sister Kuya o hu mmɔbɔ bra kwame o nyame hu mmɔbɔ bra kosi o nyame hu mmɔbɔ sister Abra o nyame hu mmɔbɔ nka wo pese ka wo sesa but o nya wo a mesrɛ wo nyame sɛ wo mesra wa nadwi o mesra wa nadwi wako asɔre be 20 years unhia Yesu da unsa hu papa nda onyi ne ho di nkyerɛ wo da unsa nye e wo sɛ wo hu Jesus basa woni ni hia abrabɔ no be sesa nye obi na be preach wo mesrɛ nyame sɛ wo nhia wo no mmompu ne mpu na abrabɔ no ensesa onyame onhyira na onya wo kɛse basa ne sɛ Yesu ama wo be san atemenka onyame nka ho menta wo wate I love you. Se me bana me kaboni anima. Me ma ne nya wo ya fa. Ne sere wo nyame se. Ommoa wo nitimi gina wate. Enya wo a nyame amfre obi ontumi ma ne nchen. It's not your fault. But se obetu anamon na, obetu bi aka ho. Ama bibia ye kam. Me da mo nyina ase. Me da mo nyina ase. Nyame nhira. Awurade me da wase. Se wo di nkonim. Me da wo ma nyina hyew nsa. Fa wo mo hyew kɔre taban na se. Ji wo mo fi wiase sum yi mu. Na ji wo mu fi adifo atofo na ase na fa wo mu duru ba bia wo mu betie no kore na wo matumi agina na wo pie wani munyam a wo mo nso akasa Awurade ye ma wakwaba e wo Jesus Christ dim amen. Me da mo nyina se have a happy weekend. God bless you.